Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to solve a system of inequalities. And we're going to do it by graphing. So just as a reminder, two types of boundary lines. We have a solid boundary line when it equals a line, and a dashed one when it does not. We also have the less than symbol, which means shade below. Less than or equal to means shade below. Greater than is above, and greater than or equal to also above. All right, so the steps. So step one, rearrange both inequalities to y equals mx plus b. Then we're going to determine if the boundary lines are solid or dashed. We will determine if you shade above or below the boundary line. And then we will graph each inequality. And one thing I want you to notice is that you're going to draw a squiggle on the side you're going to shade. You're not going to fully shade. You're just going to draw a squiggle. So something like this. Then we're going to shade the one section that has both of the squiggles. All right. So I'm going to do these in different colors. So this is going to be 1. So y is less than or equal to 2x plus 3. This is already in the right format. Less than or equal to means solid line, and it means below. The y-intercept, or the b value, is 3. M is 2 over 1, so up and right, down and left. So this one is start at 3, and I'm going to go up to right 1, down to left 1, down to left 1, down to left 1, down to left 1. Now it is a solid line. And I need to shade below. So A on top, B on the bottom. Okay, so for that, so I am shading this side, but I'm not going to shade the whole thing. I'm just going to do a squiggle. This is the side I want to be on, and I do a nice squiggle. Now I'm going to do my other line. I'm going to do it in a different color so you guys can see. -1/2 x plus 1. So greater than or equal to, so this is going to be solid, and it's going to be above. B value is 1, and M is -1/2. So that's down and right, up and left. So start at 1, go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. Solid line. And I'm shading above. So I'm going to do a squiggle on the side that is above the line. Now we are looking for the section that has both squiggles. So if we look, I have section 1, 2, 3, and 4. Section 1, there is no squiggle. Then there's the blue squiggle. So that's not it. There's no squiggle in section 2, no squiggle in section 2. Section 3, there's green squiggle, but no blue squiggle. Section 4 has blue squiggle, green squiggle. So there's 2 squiggles there. That is the section that you shade. It's the one that has both of them. Okay, let me show you 2 more. All right, we're going to rearrange first. So 4x minus 3y is greater than or equal to -6. Okay. So first we're going to subtract 4x. We get -3y greater than or equal to -4x minus 6. Divided by -3. And it flips. So y is now less than or equal to +4 over +3x plus 2. So we have solid line, and it is below. B is going to equal 2. M is going to equal 4/3. Up, right, down, left. Now I'm going to graph this one first before I do my other one. So I'm going to start at 2. I'm going to go up 4, and then to the right 3. Then down 4, and to the left 3, down 4 to the left 3. It is solid, so I'm going to draw on a solid line. A on top, B on the bottom. It's below, so I'm going to just shade below. Then I'm going to do my second one. So 1x minus 3y less than 3. So I'm going to subtract 1x. -3y less than -1x plus 3. Divide by -3, which again, if you divide by a negative, you got to flip the inequality symbol. It's +1 over +3, and then it's -1. So we have dashed this time, and above. B is going to equal -1, and M is going to equal 1/3. So up and right, down and left. So we're at -1. We go up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3, or we go down and to the left, down and to the left. Now this is a dashed line, so I'm going to do dashes, and then it's shading above, so I do a squiggle here, and I look for where are both of the squiggles. Well, that's going to be in this section. Okay, one more. We got to rearrange first. So 2x minus 3y less than 9. First, we subtract 2x. So we get -3y is less than -2x plus 9. We're going to divide by -3, which if you divide by a negative, we got to flip. So greater than +2 over +3x minus 3. So this, let's see, is going to be dashed and above. B is going to equal -3. M is going to equal 2/3. So up and right, down and left. So we're at -3. Go up 2 to the right 3. Up 2, right 3. Down 2, left 3. Dashed line. Above, below. I am shading above, so I'm going to do my squiggle on this side. Alright, x plus y greater than or equal to 2. Subtract x, y is greater than or equal to -1x plus 2. This is going to be a solid line, and it's going to be above. B is going to equal 2, M is going to equal -1 over 1. So down and right, up and left. Okay, so we're at 2. I'm going to go down and right, down and right, down and right, down and right. Make as many points as possible. And then same in the other direction. Now this is a solid line, and we are shading above. Doing it over here. And then this is the one section that has both squiggles.